ሰርቢያዊ አሰልጣኝ ሰርዲዮቪች ሚሉቲንኮ በአሁኑ ወቅት የ57 ዓመት ጎልማሳ ሲሆኑ በአፍሪካ እግር ኳስ የዳበረ ልምድ ያላቸው አንጋፋ አሰልጣኝ ናቸው። ሚቾ ከፈረንጆቹ 2001 ጀምሮ በአፍሪካ በርካታ ክለቦችና ብሔራዊ ቡድኖችን ያሰለጥኑ ሲሆን ስኬታማ ከሚባሉ አሰልጣኞች ተርታ የሚሰለፉ ናቸው። በአፍሪካ ቆይታቸው ከቅዱስ ጊዮርጊስ ባለፈ የግብፁን ዛማሌክ፣ የደቡብ አፍሪካውን ኦርላንዶ ፓይሬትስ፣ የአልጄሪያውን ሴልቲክ እንዲሁም የሱዳኑን አልሂላል ያሰለጥኑ ሲሆን በብሔራዊ ቡድን ደረጃ የሊቢያ፣ ዩጋንዳ፣ ሩዋንዳ እና ዛምቢያ አሰልጣኝ ሆነው ሰርተዋል። በቅዱስ ጊዮርጊስ ቆይታቸው ለወጣቶች በሚሰጡት ዕድልና በዋንጫ ባሸበረቀ ቆይታቸው በፈረሰኞቹ ደጋፊዎች ዘንድ በበጎ ይታወሳሉ። የቅዱስ ጊዮርጊስ ስፖርት ማህበር ለአሰልጣኝ ሚቾ መልካም ምኞቱን ይገልጻል። ሁላችሁም ማረፍ ትላላችሁ። ከዚህ በመቀጠል የመጀመሪያውን ፕሬዘንቴሽን የሚያቀርቡልን እናመሰግናለን። አረፍ ትላላችሁ። ከዚህ በመቀጠል የመጀመሪያው ፕሬዘንቴሽን
People say when things happen once, they call it accident. When it happens 2 times, call it coincidence. But when it happens in 3rd time, like with me, it is habit. I still remember the day when I first time landed in Addis Ababa, and believe it or not, here is the present gentleman that has been the first to receive me, to bring me 2nd time and the 3rd time, and I strongly hope the way it was fruitful in previous occasions, it could be even now. I'm last 3 months present here around, and I would like to tell you that we have been in a situation that is not favorable. However, after setting respected board here led by Ato Nasibu and the rest of you, very well organizing and helping the team to bounce back from the position where we have been. And when we have situation that in last 10 matches we had the biggest number of points, and if table was with only last 10 matches, we are champions. However, reaching the 6th place, I need to give credit to everyone that was contributing. Ato Fasil, that has meanwhile left us, and I would like to say that we are here. Despite having so many occasions elsewhere, I have listened to the call of my heart, my soul, and my mind, and I have come here together with you to be part of the team that will succeed in the mission to make pride revival of our badge through football soul healing by waking up sleeping giant St. George. All this we cannot achieve by one person. We know very well that is needed so much teamwork. I personally believe in an iron discipline. I personally believe in an absolute order in perfect organization. I believe in fanatic hard work because shortcut does not exist. But the most importantly, I believe in a spirit that led by Jamal we have established inside our leadership, management, and that spirit to make a family atmosphere that together with us from the technical team going to the players and loved and supported by our supporters, we could return when St. George belongs. Not only amongst the best in Ethiopia, but to be the best in CECAFA, to be the best in Africa. Meanwhile, we are having strategical targets that we have set in front of us, and we are having a 5 years master plan that will technically lead us into the direction that we are having dream targets. We need to know that Ethiopian Premier League has become extremely competitive, that we respect all our opponents. However, we believe in ourselves, we believe in hard work, and we believe with the strategy that we have set, with the salary cap, with the age cap. We have made a team that if today player is 25 years, in 5 years he will be 30 years with seniority and maturity of competitiveness. He will be ready to deliver the best. If your dream targets are not crazy, they are not called dream targets. In that regard, I would just here present that we are having target Ethiopian Premier League and Ethiopian Cup and CECAFA after that. In preparation for the Champions League, we are having ambitious targets to retain and to look once again to look for the CAF Champions League, to look for the CECAFA Kagame Cup. Looking forward to Ethiopian Premier League passing the group stages of Champions League and reaching to the time to go beyond group stages, reaching the semi-final and looking to go to the World Cup for the clubs, and dreaming that 2030, the way we have been excited with 48 teams in the World Cup that has recently been concluded, to see that Ethiopia has team on the World Cup in Morocco, Portugal and Spain, where we shall have so many St. George players being part of that team. Inside our team, we have established our technical organogram, where we have club board of directors, advisory role of club patron, club office manager and office that are helping us to function practically, technical committee led by technical director, 2 members, Tufik and Solomon, that are supporting us. Myself, that I'm in charge of being director of the senior men's team. And now here I need especially to put your attention that having in mind that Ethiopian football has huge problem with goalkeeping department, we are bringing a goalkeeping coach from Belgium that has worked with Thibaut Courtois, that will educate our goalkeeping coach and prepare our goalkeepers for the challenges in upcoming season. On the other side, we shall have special advisor for fitness and performance, Mr. Frank Plain from Paris Saint-Germain, that has just now promoted 7 players to the senior team, to Luis Enrique. He will be special advisor for fitness, and he will in September arrive to help us in that matter. We are having Adane and Sami Flex being assistant for defending, assistant for attacking. In the same moment here, we shall bring a young fitness Ethiopian coach that will be practically educated and prepared for the future ahead of us in order to promote in that regard. We are having team leader, team doctor, team physio, and from the point of team physio, we are expecting to strengthen our team from a point of bringing from outside physio that will help us in as fast as possible recovery of our players. We are having kit manager, transport and support of the training equipment kit management. We are having something that has not been seen in Ethiopian football. We shall have video analysis, drone operations, because each training we shall practically with video camera from the drone record, analyze in order to get better every day, and Ephraim will be in charge of this aspect. Before going to the playing staff and introducing our new coming players, I would like special emphasis to have on the fact that a team that has fought very hard, a team to survive in Premier League, have shown that they have quality for everything. However, to not be in comfort zone, we have strengthened the pool of players and established a healthy competitiveness for the places in the team. In that regard, we have led by the not money-minded but ambition-guided, brought the players that we believe that they have age, that have ambition, that they have talent and quality to strengthen our team and help us with performance and with their talent and quality to get performance and result that our supporters are expecting from us. So we have strengthened the team with goalkeeper Biniam Genetu and Sion Merid that will take care of our goalkeeping department. We have brought a young defender, Biniam Bekele, that had 32 matches as a 20 years old boy in EPCO that has been ahead of us on the table. Van Bukaka is national team player from Congo that is coming, 20 years old boy that French clubs are looking for him, but we have succeeded to convince him to come to us. We shall see how he will adapt, adjust and acclimatize. We are having, you have seen how game in football on the World Cup has gone to the full backs, Yared Yemane on the left and Segab Gizau on the right, coming as a strengthening our department in overlapping, extremely attacking full backs that will help us to be offensive on the flanks. Brukendale that has won the Ethiopian Cup with Volvalo Adigrat has strengthened our defensive midfield department. Brook Belachew has strengthened our attacking department in the midfield, while on the wings we have strengthened ourselves with Tames Kembranu and Bilal Gemeda, a boy from Desi, were extremely skillful, and we expect so much that we strengthen our department on the wings. Tamesken on the right side or in left side in the wings, and then we are having attacking force with first scorer of the league, Nathaniel Daniel, with Emmanuel Erbo with 11 goals, 26 goals between two of them, plus Chris Tulenga that is coming as a striker that will in a way add firepower to the striking department. In that regard, these players we have brought will form our roster for the season in front of us, where for each department we have strengthened a fight for positions with 3 and 4 players fighting for each position. All the players are below 25, and we have been very proactive on exclusively technically oriented aspect. Only one player is exemption that is beyond 25, but due to his human and sport qualities and need in the department where we have young players, to have one player that will add maturity and seniority, we have kept Aminu with us to give that touch of seniority and maturity. In each other position, we are having players that will fight for the positions and make us extremely competitive in the season ahead of us. Finally, we are having pre-season in front of us, where we are having 3 phases. First phase, where in 3 weeks we had individual working last week with the players. We are having medicals on Monday and Tuesday. We start the pre-season on Wednesday, and for 3 weeks, before Ethiopian New Year, practically we shall prepare, even working 4 times a day in order to be ready to touch the fitness aspect of the game, because feeling I can is the strongest feeling in the game of football, and we want our team to be physically fit, technically effective, tactically competitive, mentally strong, theoretically aware, and this is why we shall work extremely hard to revive the pride of the badge. After Ethiopian New Year, we are planning East African camp, and we shall go for the 2 or 3 friendly matches where we are planning, because 1 friendly match international is same like 5 matches in Ethiopian Premier League. We have young team, and we want, with steps of 7 miles, our players to develop and to make a team that will be competitive for the upcoming Ethiopian Premier League. We are expecting from 21st September until 4th of October to be in participation in Addis Ababa City Cup, and we are having last polishing week before the Ethiopian Premier League, starting on 11th, in order to be ready. As I say, I believe in all the support we got from our management. I believe in hard work of the technical team with the talent and quality of the players. I believe in an absolute support of the supporters, because supporter in this transitional part where we are having extremely young team, we need your support, and we want in times ahead of us, together with you, to have you as a player number 12. You are spiritual owners of the game, and as such, we shall do anything possible to turn talent and quality of our players into performance and result, in order to revive the pride of the badge, in order to wake up the sleeping giant, St. George. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Coach Micho. That was an exciting presentation. ቀጣዩ ምዕራፍ ግብራችን የሚሆነው ከግራ ወደ ቀኝ እየጠራሁ እሄዳለሁ። መጀመሪያው ያሬድ ነው። ያሬድ ማለት የሌፍት ፉልባካችን ነው። ከኢትዮ ኤሌክትሪክ ያስፈረመው ነው። ሁላችንም የምናውቀው በዚህ ዓመት በጣም አስደናቂ ፐርፎርማንስ ካሳዩ ተጫዋቾች መካከል አንደኛው ነው። ከዛ በመቀጠል ያለው ቢኒያም ገነቱ ነው። ከወላይታ ዲቻ ያስፈረመው በጣም አስገራሚ በረኛ ነው። ከሱ በመቀጠል ያለው ብሩክ ነው። ብሩክ ከኢትዮጵያ መድን ያስፈረመው ነው። በመቀጠል ያለው ጽዮን መርዕድ ነው። ግብ ጠባቂያችን ከአርባ ምንጭ ከነማ በዚህ ዓመት እንደዚሁ በጣም ቆንጆ ፐርፎርማንስ ያሳየ ነው። ከዛ መቀጠል ያለው ቢኒያም ነው። ቢኒያም በቀለ እሱ ከኢትዮ ኤሌክትሪክ ነው። ጸጋአብ ከሀዲያ ሆሳዕና ያመጣ ነው። ቀድሞ ቅዱስ ጊዮርጊስ የነበረ የኛው ልጃችን የነበረ ተጫዋች ነው። ከሱ መቀጠል ያለው ቢላል ገመዳ ደሴ ከነማ ባለፈው ዓመት በጣም አስደናቂ ፐርፎርማንስ ያሳየ ተጫዋቻችን ነው። መጨረሻው ብሩክ ነው። እሱ እንደዚሁ የመሃል ሜዳው ቴክኒሻን እየተባለ በዚህ ዓመት ሲሞገስ የነበረ ተጫዋች ነው። እንግዲህ እነዚህ 8 በፌዴሬሽን የተረጋገጠ ነው። 4 ደግሞ በሂደት ላይ ያለ ነው። በቀጣይ ሳምንት ይጠናቀቃል ብለን እናስባለን። እናመሰግናለን። ሁላችሁንም እንኳን ወደ ቅዱስ ጊዮርጊስ ደህና መጣችሁ ማለት እንፈልጋለን።
አበረታቱልን። ወጣቶች ላይ ያለንን እምነት እናሳይበት፣ ቁርጠኛ የሆንበትን ውሳኔ ያሳለፍንበት ዓመት ነው። አብረውን ሊዘልቁ ቃል ገብተው ከኛ ጋር ተሰልፈዋል። አበረታቷቸው በድጋሚ
እናመሰግናለን። ቀጣይ ምዕራፍ
ዋና ቡድን አሰልጣኝ ዮናስ እስክንድር፣ ሳሙኤል ታዬ ምክትል አሰልጣኝ፣ ሄኖክ አበጀ በኃይሉ ሚካኤል ሹፌር
ተጫዋቾቻችን ወደ መደበኛ ምስል
ከዚህ በመቀጠል ቡድኖቹ እንጠራለን። በ3 ከፍለናቸዋል። በ3 ደረጃ የመጀመሪያ ግሩፕ ላይ የሚሸለሙት አክረም አብዱል ሰመድ፣
አክረም በመጨረሻው ጨዋታ መቻል ላይ በአንድ ጨዋታ 4 ጎል ያስቆጠረ በሳት ያሳያል።
መሐመድ ኃይሉ፣ መሐመድ
በጣም ጎበዝ ሚድፊልደር ነው።
አብርሃም ታረቀኝ፣ አሜን አቤል፣ አሜን አቤል፣
አሜን ጎበዝ የቀኝ ክንፍ ተከላካይ ነው። እዩት በደንብ ወደ
ሙባረክ አወል፣ አበረታቷቸው ወጣቶቻችን። ረመዳን አበበ እየተዘጋጀ ረመዳን አበበ፣ አይመን መሐመድ፣
መሐመድ ቁመቱ ረዘም ቢልም በጣም ልጅ ነው። በጣም ጎበዝ አጥቂ ነው።
በፍቅር አለማየሁ፣ አይመን አስፍር፣ እስካሁን የሸለምናቸው አንደኛ ደረጃ ብለን የ30,000 ብር ሽልማት ሰጠናቸው። አገኘው አስትሮ፣ አበረታቷቸው። መዓዝ ኃይሉ፣ ሰልማን መሐመድ፣ ይኸው ለክለባችን ስል ልጁ ተቆርሶ እያያችሁ አዛሪያ አበበ እስማኤል ሱልጣን
ጎበዝ የግራ እግር ተጫዋች ናት። ብሩክ በጣም ጎበዝ ግብ ጠባቂ ነው።
ጉንዳዎች ዘላለም እነዚህ በሁለተኛ ካታጎሪ ያደረግናቸው 20 ሺህ ብር የሸለምናቸው ወጣቶቻችን ናቸው። ሶስተኛው ካታጎሪ ላይ ሚካኤል መልካሙ፣ ሀብታሙ ባልቻ፣ ቃላም ገዳሙ፣ በመጨረሻ ሚካኤል ፍቅሬ። ግሩፕ ያላቸው ናቸው። አቤል ሰለሞን፣ ዮሐንስ ጌታነህ፣
ዮሐንስ ጎበዝ አጥቂያችን ነው።
ኢዮስያስ ሀብታሙ፣ ጸጋዬ መስፍን፣ ያሬድ ፈይሳ፣ ታምራት አየለ። እነዚህ በሶስተኛው ካቴጎሪ 11 ሺህ ብር የሸለምናቸው 4 ልጆች ናቸው።
እናመሰግናለን። በመቀጠል ቀጣዩ ሽልማት የሚሆነው እናመሰግናለን አቶ ነሲቡ የኢንስትራክተር
ቅዱስ ያሬድ ብሩክ አለማየሁ፣ ካሌብ ተስፋዬ፣ ቅዱስ ያሬድ ናቸው። ሁሉንም ሽልማት በስራ አስኪያጃችን በኩል ያገኛሉ። አስረክበን እናመሰግናለን።